Now, if you play Slap Battles and you're looking for the best currently working Slap Battles codes, then you're most definitely going to want to pay attention to this video, guys. I've managed to find some absolutely awesome codes for Slap Battles that you can use right now, and it's going to supply you with tons of free things, including all gloves unlocked. And yeah, this is the best selection of codes, guys, and I spent a long time searching YouTube and Google trying tons of different Slap Battles codes, and I thought I'd create this video and show you the best ones that I found. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is just use your mobile. As you can see, I've got my iPhone here. I've opened up the internet browser and I'm going to go to www.codecoupons.com. so just type it exactly like this into your internet browser, and that will take you to Cold Coupons. When you reach this page, there is a search bar at the top, so I'm just going to search in there for Slap Battles, and they have a Slap Battles codes page at the time of recording this video. They have a few different verified codes, and these are pretty rated highly. You can see 5-star for 11,000 ratings. So scroll down, they have a Slap Battles code to unlock all gloves for free. This is going to get you every single glove at the time of getting your code. You can get free UGCs and limiteds, and you can get all badge gloves for free as well. So you just need to select the code that you want. I've already done this, so I'm just going to run through a quick example, but this is an unlock all gloves code, and you do need to unlock your code. It will take a few minutes, but it is worth it considering just what they're giving you. Obviously these are limited codes, you can see at the top, but they're by far the best codes available. So because they're limited, you need to unlock your personal code. You can only get one of these codes per person. It says your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So long story short, guys, you need to unlock your code by clicking get full code. You're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code, and it will take a few minutes, which I know can be annoying. I've already done this, but yeah, I found it pretty easy. It did take a few minutes. So I just completed a couple of tasks, and then my code was unlocked in this box. So this said unlocked, and I could grab my code, redeem it in Slap Battles, and that unlocked all gloves. So yeah, these are by far the best working codes for Slap Battles. You just got to go to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the Slap Battles codes page, and select your code. Make sure you do fully unlock it, guys. Any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.